My name is Isabel Pereira and I'm a co-manager and investor here at Hypermetal. And I'm a mechanical engineer and I worked in the industrial production field for 15 years now. So when Afonso Nogueira, the founder of Hypermetal, mentioned that he was looking for a new investor to help grow the company, I decided straight away to say yes and say, count me in. So myself and my family company, we decided to invest in Hypermetal, and we've been working alongside to help it grow. We've been working with Xometry for a few years now, and we have completed 230 orders, which is pretty good. The person who found Xometry was actually my business partner, Afonso. He saw the advertisement online and it found it very interesting that there was a marketplace that would connect clients and businesses and production producers. So in the beginning, we had to build trust. We had to win some bids and get some good reviews to allow us to work more, to win more work than in the beginning. So it took off quite slowly, but when we had lots of good reviews, it became easier and easier to win new bids. The platform is user-friendly, and we really like the level of transparency that Xometry allows. So this is a major benefit because we know exactly why we win the bids and why we don't win the bids. There's nothing hidden, and there's always a team on the other side ready to answer our questions if we have any queries, if we like to know more about exactly what happened, why we won or why we lost, what's happening on the other side. It really allows us to focus on other things such as managing daily day-to-day production, optimizing production. It allows us to invest time and money on other things. Ever since we started working with Xometry, we have invested in new machinery. We now have 3 printers. At the beginning, we only had 2. We have invested in post-processing equipment and in other auxiliary equipment. So it allows us to focus on other issues. So before we had to spend a lot of time in sales and marketing, and we now can focus on other parts of the business. It's the growth of the business, managing the team, managing production, and all that, new investments. Right now, we have about 15 orders a month. That was what we had last month, and that's the standard right now from Xometry. The most memorable project that we worked on coming from Xometry was a very intricate design piece for a space industry. It was very interesting. It was a challenging piece, and it was very interesting, not only because we did it with success, but also because it gave us the confidence to start working on more difficult pieces and more challenging ones. And it also allowed us to know this market niche that we didn't know, that we did not know before. We are very thankful to Xometry. It's been very, very useful for us to grow our business. If it wasn't for Xometry, we wouldn't be where we are. It has allowed us to find exactly what we do well and what we are best at, and it allowed us to explore several niches, market niches that we didn't even know existed, and it gave us the confidence to do amazing stuff that we didn't even knew it was possible some time ago. So we're very thankful for Xometry to exist. Thank you, the team.